Hello guys! We have here some pomelo. This is what we eat. Yes. This is so very tasty and sweet.
Not sweet.
It's sour and bitter.
Yeah.
We have here some salt. Some Himalayan salt.
They don't know that.
They know that because Himalayan salt is a thing.
So?
Yes.
Holy soul? Ouch!
It's very yummy.
Ah!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, what are you doing? Pag-isali. Oh my gosh.
This is so very yummy.
It's
And
bitter.
my sister has this one.
Hey, give me that.
Springy thing. Spoink, spoink, spoink. We are Chinese.
We are not Chinese. We are USA, UK, or USA. I don't want this one.
We are not. We are in the Philippines.
Sorry, but we are Englishing.
Oh, sorry guys. It's my thumb.
Ouch!
Get your.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
sorry.
That's yan because of my thumb.
That's not the thumb. That's the toes.
Thumb yan, oh, thumb.
Bye
Bye-bye.
That's not the end, bro. That's my kuya's behavior. Diseases.
Wow! I mean,
Ba. We are jump scare.
hello.
It's a jump scare.
May jump scare niya kayo guys.
Don't say Filipino.
Paramis. You're disrespecting the elders.
You are not an elder man. You are a younger man.
No, I'm an X-Men.
That's right.
Because I'm a Wolverine. Ako
Sino
kaya
si
si Wolverine.
Who is Wolverine?
You.
Bruh. Are you kidding me?
Look at that. This is so very fresh.
Replashing.
Look at that.
It's so
So we're gonna watch some video guys. Wait for it.